Have you ever wondered what happens to your financial data after you input it into YNAB? Where does it go? Is it safe? These are valid concerns, and today, we're diving deep to answer them. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a powerful financial tool that has helped countless people take control of their finances. It's a platform where you input your income, expenses, and financial goals. But what happens to this sensitive information once you hit save? Data privacy and security. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, data privacy. In today's digital age, it's crucial to understand how companies handle your personal information. YNAB takes data privacy very seriously. They have implemented robust security measures to protect your financial data. How YNAB uses your data. So, how does YNAB use your data? Primarily, it's used to provide you with a personalized budgeting experience. When you input your income and expenses, YNAB analyzes this data to generate reports, trends, and insights. This information helps you make informed financial decisions. Sharing your data. Now, a common question is, does YNAB share your data with third parties? The short answer is no. YNAB has a strict policy against sharing user data with third-party advertisers or marketers. Your financial information is confidential and remains within the YNAB ecosystem. Data storage and retention. YNAB stores your data on secure servers. These servers are protected by advanced security measures, including encryption and firewalls. Additionally, YNAB has a data retention policy in place, which outlines how long your data is stored. Your rights and control. As a YNAB user, you have the right to access, correct, or delete your personal data. YNAB provides you with tools to manage your data and privacy settings. You can choose how much information you share with YNAB and how it's used. Transparency and trust. YNAB is committed to transparency and trust. They regularly update their privacy policy to reflect any changes in their data practices. By understanding how YNAB handles your data, you can use the app with confidence. YNAB is a trustworthy platform that prioritizes your financial privacy. Your data is used to enhance your budgeting experience, not to profit from it. By understanding YNAB's data practices, you can make informed decisions about how you use the app and protect your financial information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.